The amazing journey of life within the mother's womb sees the new beginning after birth. It's quite fascinating to know that the first cry will boost the functioning of the fully developed lungs. But how are the nutritional needs of the infant met just after birth? Let's watch this video to know more. In this video, we will get a detailed insight on the anatomy of mammary glands, the process and importance of lactation, hormonal control of lactation or milk secretion, colostrum and composition of human milk, and galactopoiesis. The intense bonding of a newborn and the mother continues even after birth, and that is through breastfeeding. Breasts are the structures that play a crucial role in fulfilling the needs of the baby. Let us first understand their structure. 15 to 20 lobes of glandular structures called the mammary glands to form the chief secretory units. These glands are separated by dense connective tissue and adipose tissue. A closer look at the mammary gland shows that it consists of numerous lobules with secretory alveoli. These alveoli are lined by milk-secreting epithelial cells and myoepithelial cells. Now let us explore what is the function of these glands. The mother's anterior lobe of the pituitary releases prolactin in very high amounts after pregnancy. Under the influence of this hormone, the mammary glands secrete milk. The secreted milk is temporarily stored in the cavity of the alveoli. When the baby suckles, it triggers the release of the hormone oxytocin. It causes contraction of the alveoli and expresses milk out of the alveoli into the mammary tubules. Milk then enters into the mammary ducts. These mammary ducts further drain the milk into spindle-shaped dilations called lactiferous sinuses or ampulla. It ultimately moves out from the ducts through the nipple pores to reach the child. This process of secretion and yielding of milk by mammary glands is termed lactation. Thus, the newborn suckles and gets the milk produced by the mother. The milk, which is produced for the initial few days after childbirth, is called colostrum. It is a dense, yellowish fluid with less fats and lactose, while it has a remarkably higher concentration of proteins in the form of antibodies. The antibodies primarily include the IgA type, which is known to provide passive immunity to the newborn. Gradually, after 14 to 15 days, the composition of the milk changes to suffice the needs of the growing baby. It contains all the nutrients like carbohydrates such as lactose and proteins like casein, fats, vitamins and minerals. The production of milk has to be maintained, and this requires the action of prolactin on mammary glands. This stage of maintenance of lactation is called galactopoiesis. Breastfeeding is recommended for the first 6 months, and it can be continued for a longer period.